repair the skin barrier. Repair the skin barrier, you can see when the skin is broken or whatever, and it's not easy. If the skin barrier is not being repaired, then it is very easy to have the bacteria to invade the skin again. The skin will have problems from time to time like that. So repair the skin barrier is very important. IPL's anti-inflammatory and redness removing function are the most important devices for treating hormonal phase and repairing barrier functions. So the IPL, it is to directly irradiate the skin, and it can produce photothermal effect and then subsequent biochemical effect, and stimulate the regeneration of and repair the collagen fibers and elastic fibers in the skin, and rearrange and restore skin elasticity and improve the facial microcirculation. Ablation or lightening wrinkle accelerates regeneration of skin cells and tissues. Then gradually, then this healthy skin will be filled. Wavelength we recommend is to use 560, 580, or 640, 695. Also for different situation, and you can use it like that. And whatever you have within them, then you can choose it for treatment. In the earlier stage, you can do a treatment at an interval of 2 to 3 weeks, and the energy does not need to be too high. Just hit a little bit red, that's enough. You just make the treatment area a little bit red, the purpose already been reached. You don't need to make it very hot and very high energy. No need to do like that for this. By the way, if you for today's public course, and there are functions for your local language, and you can see the subtitle, and there are functions for that. And if you don't know how to do that, then you can leave a message, and my colleague will help you for that. Freckles treatment.